All right, so I'm really disappointed to find out that this thing does not actually work. So you're supposed to hold this button in for 2 seconds, and then it's supposed to adjust. It's supposed to go on first of all, and as you can tell, it just does not go on. Holding it in, so holding, 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 that's more than 2 seconds, and release. And when it's plugged in, if that was the case, there is occasionally like a little bit of a flash, but it's not even anything. So apparently the battery just doesn't work and holds power. I got this working, so I was excited. I was, had an additional battery even, so really disappointed. Something to consider also is that when you do actually open this thing up, and I was going to suck it up and deal with it, but it's going to actually cover this area, will be blocking your ring light a little bit. So just overall extremely disappointed. I thought it was going to be a great deal. Was going to be able to use it quickly. Loved every bit of the concept until, of course, it doesn't work. So I'm actually going to put this in the beginning of the video, and if you want to watch the unboxing and everything, you can watch right now. Hope this review helps. All right, this is a simple and fast review of the SelfieShow 6-inch selfie stick tripod and ring light. So we're going to go ahead and get this open. Couple key points: it's a ring light. It's used for selfie purposes. It does have wireless capabilities, and of course a tripod. So I'm going to show you all that as we get this thing opened. So of course you got your directions, charging cable. Looks like it is not a USB-C charging cable, so something to consider. It does have Bluetooth capabilities. Again, all the information here as far as how to set it up, how to activate your Bluetooth, how to adjust the angles and stuff like that. So something important to know is that it is adjustable, and again, the concept being that it's relatively compact. So as you can see, literally you're just going to move this thing up and down, and then of course this rotates as well. Your power, it looks like, is going to be right there. This is going to be your selfie button, but again, this should be removable, and I'm sure it is, so we'll figure out how to remove that. And of course, from here, this thing is going to expand, and should be able to open it up. So let's go ahead and pause and get that open. All right, so once you unlock these a little bit, it will stand. And something to consider, I'm just going to go ahead and attach this here, is that when you do this, if you have this bent over at all, it will be unstable. So you do have to kind of keep it straight up. Just something to consider. It is a little wobbly on the stand. All right, so the power button, I'm pretty sure you can see that, it is on one side, and the opposite side is going to be where you're going to be plugging it in for the USB charging. So I'm going to go ahead and get this charged up so you can kind of see how this thing works. All right, so 2 additional points. You probably just saw the red light on there, and that'll show it charging. And then of course it comes with an additional battery that you'll have to put into the remote as you get this thing going. You'll have to pop this out and you fill using that battery.